Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're making Alright guys, today we're making some chicken karahi. So I'm learning, so the person that actually is gonna make it is my Bobby sister-in-law. So she said she got it from her mother, so her mother passed it down to her, and so she's like a pro in this. So let's see and let's test it today, see how it actually is. I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you so much, as I always say, because you guys are the best. Thank you so much for subscribing and hitting the like button. All right, let's start on that chicken karahi. Let's test it out now. Got some roti. So either way you can eat it with roti or naan. I prefer naan. Naans just taste really good. But roti's good. Roti's fire. Nice and spicy. It's like a little hint of spiciness. It like hits you. Feels really good. One more bite, and then I'll tell you guys how it actually is. I feel like this is the best homemade chicken that I've had, I would say, ever. This is the best chicken karahi I've had. like homemade chicken karahi. This is like the best one I had. Do I have to say it again? I wish I had like a big ass mouth so I can just take this plate and just like dump it in there and just like and start chewing, so I can just eat all of it at the same time because it's that good. Just love the spiciness. It's like a different kind of spice. But thank God I don't have a big ass mouth like that. I'm good with what I have. Alhamdulillah.